Shivani here, and I hope you guys are enjoying your quarantine time. So today I am going to do the Pinterest hairstyles. I saw a lot of hairstyles on Pinterest which are basically the Dutch braided hairstyle, and I am going to recreate them today in this tutorial. So I hope you guys are going to enjoy that. Let's start with the hairstyle goals. So what you have to first of all do is you have to part your hair into two halves, and for that what I've done is I've taken a clutcher and then I've clutched my hair right over there taki interfere na kare when I'm making my braid. Now I'm going to take my other half, and first of all I am going to take out some hair which would frame my face later on, and then I am going to pick up a triangular section. Now this triangular section I'll divide into three different parts, and I'll take my right section and cross it under the middle, and then I'll take my left section and cross it under the middle. So in Dutch braid you take sections and cross them under each other, so you have to just cross them under each other. Now when you reach for your section second time, what you have to do is you have to pick your right section and then you have to add some hair into it, and then you will be crossing it under the middle. Again, when you reach your left section, you add some hair into it and then you cross it under the middle. So this is what you need to remember. So matlab mostly hairstyles mein yahi hota hai, you have to pick sections together and then you have to go around with them. तो इसमें भी यही हो रहा है, and the difficult part is that you have to keep on braiding until you reach your neck. So you do not stop anywhere in between. You have to stop when you reach your neck, and until then you have to keep on doing. So in order to make the process easy, the trick is that you have to take big chunks of your hair. अगर आप छोटे छोटे strands add करते रहोगे, so you'll have to keep on braiding for longer period of time, and because of that your braid would not look chunky or bigger. So it will look very small, and when you'll pull it out at that point of time also it will be a little difficult for you guys. So what you need to do is you have to take big heavy chunks of hair and then you have to add them into those individual sections and then cross it under the middle. Okay, so that is it guys, and once you reach your neck you have to take a rubber tie and you have to secure your braid right over there. So this way आपका first hairstyle बन जाएगा, which is the Dutch braided ponytail. That's my version of saying it, and इसका second version जो मैंने बनाया है that is pigtails, which means that you keep on Dutch braiding till for your entire length. So you do not stop at your neck, but you keep on braiding until your entire length is covered. And these hairstyles are very cute, they are adorable, they are boohoo, and they are perfect for active wears, for gym wears, and for dungarees. So yeah, and especially in this time जब हम घर पे हैं, so we can try out new hairstyles जो कि हम later on use कर सकते हैं when we are going to college or we are going to evening walks or anything like that. And yes, that's it guys, and you have to braid the exact same way on the other end as well, and then you have to take a rubber tie and secure it. Well, these are my hairstyle guys, and I hope you would have enjoyed them. If you did, then do not forget to subscribe my channel, like it and share it with your friends ताकि सबको पता चले how to make these Dutch braided hairstyles. And I am going to see you guys in my next one. Till then, stay blessed and stay happy. Bye.